So if you go into new contact and you're putting in somebody's name, say Joe Smith. Oh. Joe Smith. Put in the address, 123 South Main. There's a lot of people live at 123 South Main in my database. And we come over here to the zip code field. The zip code field now has lookup. So if I type in 65613, tab out, it will find and fill in your city and state for you. I don't have it being able to do, I don't have it doing country. Too many people complained about it autofilling in country and then going through and printing country all the time. Most people are in the USA anyway, so it's not a big deal. For those people that are outside the country, you can then fill it in. But these are US zip code lookup pieces. We don't have it in other countries yet, but that's something that I will look at creating an implementation for.